It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Arpan. God bless you.
Arpan, happy birthday to you. We wish you lot of health, wealth and prosperity in the days and years to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Arpan, wish you a very happy birthday. My best wishes for you all the time, always, for your best success in life, including your family life and your career growth, and also you should have best health in your life. I wish you the best for in everything in your life. Happy birthday!
Yo, happy birthday. For your 40th special birthday, I wanted to create a list of 40 times you have embarrassed me. But unfortunately, you are a very successful and very proper family man. So I cannot do it because people say you should not embarrass parents in front of their kids. So I'm waiting for your 60th birthday, and that is when I will make the full list and embarrass you in front of your adult kids. Have fun!
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Dada. Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Dada. Keep partying, keep enjoying. Cheers.
Hello Arpan Dada, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead, one with a lot of good memories, a lot of happiness and joy. Thank you for being you. It's always a blast being around you. I always enjoy my time with you, and we're very thankful to have you in our lives. I would love to spend more time with you, Pooja and the kids. Do another trip maybe soon. And till then, I wish you a very happy birthday. I feel very lucky to actually call you my brother-in-law. I will thank Ishita for that. But thank you for being such a great part of our lives. Bye.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday to Papa.
Kabir, why do you like Papa so much?
Because
He reads books with you?
Yes, Mama.
Zubin, why do you like Papa so much?
Because Papa takes me to nice places.
Where did you go with Papa recently?
Tamil Nadu,
And
Kerala,
what did Papa make you eat there?
chicken salad.
Chicken salad?
What?
God? And?
Everything.
And who? And what do you want to tell Papa again?
Happy birthday to you.
Kabir, what do you want to tell Papa?
Finish.
Zubin, why do you like Papa?
Because Papa is the best strong man.
Kabir, why do you like Papa?
Because Papa is the best strongest man.
Wish you happy birthday, Anna. May God bless you. Enjoy life. ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ. 1 second happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Urban Uncle. You're the smartest boy in the world.
And?
And we love you.
Arpan Meri Jaan, happy 40th. Man, I can't believe we've known each other for more than half our lives. I've seen you transform from the portly nerd sitting in Kaveri room number 42 doing your assignments in that pista green t-shirt to getting your hot body auctioned off as JSEC in FMS. By the way, Olu just wanted to write the Avenger. You know that, right? Not, yeah. Okay. So we've had so many adventures together, man. From sitting in the hostel bathrooms playing Teen Patti to the casinos of Vegas, from in drinking Royal Stag to the finer things in life, from I don't know, I mean drunken drives to Paramount to eat dosas to Nandi Hills. It's been a crazy, crazy, crazy ride, man. You've been a constant for the last 20 years or so, whether it was treks to Sakleshpur or it was a strip club in Manhattan. It's been an honor knowing you, man. You have been a role model. You've been an inspiration, mostly in your relentless pursuit of puja. I think that was actually the other way around. You were getting pursued. But yeah, I mean, you know what I mean, right? Here's another Casper for you. You remember Casper from Lord of the Rings, where we invented that or reinvented the James Bond drink after watching Casino Royale. Here's to another 40 years, man. And here's to knowing each other and just getting stronger and deeper in our relationship. Yeah, that's how I meant it. This is not Rungta style deeper. Happy birthday again.
Happy 40th, you old bastard.
We love you.
Hey, happy birthday, bugger. You were old when we met you also, and now also you're old. Happy 40th birthday. Keep rocking and always enjoy, dude.
Happy birthday, Happy. Congratulations on your 21st birthday. 21 years when we met you, 21 years even now. You look the same, stay young, have a great time. Bye.
This is all bullshit, okay? This is what it is. So enjoy, dude.
Enjoy.